Fost iż-żgħażagħ li qegħdin jiltaqgħu f'Ajn Tuffieħ għal-Jusi Festival tispikka rrieda li jkollna dinja aħjar. Fost dawk li f'dawn l-4 tiem qegħdin jiltaqgħu f'pajjiżna hemm uħud mill-mexxejja ta' għada. Għalihom il-partiti soċjalisti għandhom ifakru lid-dinja fil-ħtieġa tas-solidarjetà.
Definitely increasing the solidarity and raising the issue that everyone has the possibility to survive in the world and to have a proper life, and that is what we need to remind the right-wing parties.
Il-Jusi Festival qiegħed isir f'mument fejn id-dinja dejja minn taqlib kbir u dan żgur se jitla' fuq l-aġenda tad-diskussjoni.
I think there are so many things going wrong in the world, and you need young people who have a vision of how it could become better, how it could get better.
Il-ħamis filgħodu bdew l-ewwel diskussjonijiet. Kienu diskussi l-konflitt għall-ġustizzja soċjali fl-Iżrael u l-Palestina, il-femminizmu u d-drittijiet għal persuni LGBTI. Il-parteċipanti barranin kienu impressjonati bl-organizzazzjoni tal-Forum Żgħażagħ Laburisti, filwaqt li meta mitluba jgħidu dwar x'wassalhom biex jiġu Malta huma wieġbu hekk.
To be really fun to learn some politics and also meet a lot of people from all over the world.
I was in Finland, and then we had a big delegation coming, and well, they said 20 people can go, and I was like, I have to go. So as soon as it opened up in May, I did it.
It's the talk, the conversation with the other person of the other countries.
Because I want to meet people from other countries, other socialist delegations.
Oh, it's a really big, nice and important event, I think, for all young socialists in the world. Well, I do expect that I will meet a lot of our cooperational partners from the other countries.